Just start. Here's the first rule. Just start and things will come to you. Just start and wait till the best moment. Start, take action, and keep posting. Keep doing what you love doing. Keep doing what brings you money, what brings you love, and what brings you peace and rest. Work hard now so you can rest later. You can enjoy your life and you can make it easier for you, for your wife, for your family, and for your kids. Love what you're doing, and it even it's hard to do that, just keep doing it. Even though you don't get results, you don't get nothing, just keep doing that, because we all know that there is one day that will change everything. Everything will be changed in just one day, overnight. So keep posting, keep pushing, keep doing what you love doing, and just wait for the best moment to come. See you in the next video.